This is it, our very first unboxing and hands-on look at the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And from the moment the box opens, it's clear Samsung is leaning heavily into a premium, refined design philosophy. The device sits right on top, instantly catching your eye with its clean, minimalist presence. At first glance, the Galaxy S26 Ultra features a flat, boxy frame with sharp, confident edges, staying true to Samsung's Ultra DNA. The matte color finish looks smooth and understated, reflecting light subtly without that overly glossy shine. It immediately gives off a high-end, polished feel. The back panel is clean and elegant, with simplicity clearly being the main design focus this year. Looking at the camera setup, we see Samsung's signature vertical layout. Each lens is individually placed, giving the phone a bold yet minimal appearance. The slightly raised camera rings add a professional and serious design language, instantly reminding you that this is Samsung's top-tier Ultra device. From the sides, the phone looks solid and well-constructed. The flat edges not only enhance the modern industrial look, but also seem to improve grip. Button placement appears clean and practical, while the overall thickness feels balanced, sturdy in the hand without appearing bulky. On the front, the display looks massive, flat, and incredibly immersive. The bezels are extremely slim, and the centered punch-hole camera blends seamlessly into the screen. Even with the display turned off, it's obvious Samsung is prioritizing a clean, distraction-free viewing experience. Staying consistent with recent Samsung flagships, the unboxing keeps things simple and minimal, reinforcing the brand's focus on premium design rather than unnecessary extras. This first hands-on look gives us a very close preview of what Samsung may be preparing. While this unit isn't officially confirmed as the final version, the design feels remarkably close to a finished flagship. If this is truly the direction Samsung is heading, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a sleek, powerful, and highly refined smartphone. That's our first hands-on look at the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And if this design makes it to the final model, Samsung could be setting a new Ultra standard once again. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.